Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites. Update Telegram and confirm network stability. Open the app now and try a short video to reproduce the issue. If playback fails, free at least 100 MB of storage and restart your device. This clears temporary files that often block decoding. Once done, reopen Telegram and go to Settings, right arrow Data and Storage so you can observe immediate changes. Make sure background data is enabled. Without it, large media may stall or never finish buffering. Now you perform the core fixes. Clear Telegram cache in Settings, right arrow Data and Storage, right arrow Clear Cache. This removes corrupted thumbnails and partial downloads. Next, switch networks, use cellular if Wi-Fi is flaky, and disable any VPN or proxy because they can block streaming. Then, verify app permissions. Grant storage or media access so Telegram can write temporary files. If the video still won't play, try downloading it to local storage. A manual save forces a fresh file save and often resolves codec or finish by reinstalling Telegram only if previous steps fail, export or backup important chats beforehand. After reinstall, test a known good file to confirm app-level repair. If a specific video still refuses to play, the issue may be the file codec. Re-download from sender or convert it to MP4H. 264/OCK on a PC, then resend. One key troubleshooting tip: play the file in a different media player. If it fails there too, the file is corrupt, not Telegram, and you should request a fresh copy from the sender.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.